I'm HVAC repair guy. I spent years as a nuclear power electrician before putting in 17 years as an HVAC field technician, servicing thousands of residential heating systems. I'm here to share what actually happens after installation day. Today we're comparing the NTI Caprice and the Trio oil-fired heating boilers. On paper, both of these units heat your home, but once you look past the marketing, there are key differences that impact your wallet over time. Most homeowners think efficiency is the main purchasing factor. In my experience, that's only part of the story. What really matters is what you'll spend owning the boiler over the next 15 to 20 years. The biggest difference comes down to the heat exchanger warranty coverage. The heat exchanger is essentially the heart of the boiler. It's the metal chamber where oil burns to heat the water circulating through your home. NTI gives you a 20-year warranty on the heat exchanger, while Trio steps up with lifetime coverage. So what? If a heat exchanger cracks outside of warranty, you're usually replacing the whole boiler. Trio gives you longer protection against catastrophic component failure, though both units share an identical 87% AFUE efficiency rating and 1-year coverage on electrical parts. Both units operate as non-condensing, standard efficiency cast iron boilers with single-stage firing. An 87% AFUE rating means 87 cents of every heating oil dollar stays in your house as heat, while 13 cents escapes up the chimney. Because their efficiencies are identical, you won't see a dime of difference on your monthly fuel bill between these two models. Here is what the brochure doesn't tell you. Annual maintenance on oil-fired equipment is non-negotiable. Every year, a technician needs to clean the soot off the heat transfer surfaces, replace the burner nozzle, and adjust combustion. The best boiler on the market will break down in 3 seasons if it isn't serviced, while an average unit with clean oil nozzles and properly set draft will run smoothly for decades. Furthermore, installation quality matters more than brand name. A sloppy installation with bad venting will ruin a high-end unit far faster than factory defects will. Looking at current equipment pricing, the bare unit for an NTI Caprice or a Trio typically runs between $2,800 and $3,500 depending on size and local distributor stock, with total job costs running $6,000 to $9,000 including installation labor and piping. Because base equipment pricing is comparable, value comes down to protection and support. The NTI Caprice is a solid option for homeowners who have a strong local technician familiar with NTI products and prefer a proven, standard design. The Trio is better for homeowners looking to maximize peace of mind through lifetime heat exchanger protection. If it were my house, I'd lean toward the Trio. When efficiency, control setup, and electrical component warranties are identical, getting lifetime warranty coverage on the heat exchanger gives you a better safety net for long-term ownership.